common environmental issues in your country?
Uh, in my country, uh, the awareness of residents is not enough. So many people is just drop litter into the road everywhere. So the road in my country in some place is very polluted. And not only road, also the river and beach. So the environment in my country is more polluted day by day.
That's a great answer. You highlighted the issue of awareness and how it leads to pollution in various places, which is really insightful. Uh, Whenever you're ready, we can move on to the next question.
Now,
Great. Here comes the second question. How do you think schools can help students learn about the environment?
a student can inspire the a school can inspire the student to join the voluntary program made by schools or the city government. Uh, they can volunteer the the responsibility to pick up the litter or sort up the litter and so on.
That's a fantastic idea. Encouraging volunteer activities is definitely a great way to raise awareness and involve students directly. Whenever you're ready, we can move on to the next question.
I'm ready.
Awesome. Here's the third question. What are some ways that people can reduce their carbon footprint?
uh, People need to be raised awareness about the environmental issues in their country, and they need to be taught that they don't they mustn't be drop any litter in the to the road, river or sea or beach, so the environment can be better in tomorrow or in the future.
That's a really thoughtful answer. Emphasizing education and awareness is definitely key to making a positive impact. All right, whenever you're ready, we can move on to the next question.
I'm ready.
Great. Here comes the fourth question. Do you think governments should do more to protect the environment? Why or why not?
Yes, the program which government implemented today is not enough to inspire their residents to protect environment. In my opinion, they should do more strictly in that, which can affect the environmental problems more positive.
That's a solid point. You've highlighted the need for stricter measures, which can definitely make a bigger impact. All right, let's move on to the final question. How has the environment changed in your lifetime?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Of course. The question is, how has the environment changed in your lifetime?
I don't get it. Can you explain it a little bit?
Absolutely. The question is asking how you think the environment has changed over the course of your life. For example, you could talk about changes in air quality, the amount of green spaces, or any other environmental factors you've noticed.
Uh, Actually, the environmental activities that I did is uh, just pick up the litter, so it's not affect my lifetime. Like the activity is just taking into my to take over all my mornings and doesn't affect anything that anything to me.
I see what you mean. It sounds like the environmental changes you've witnessed have been quite subtle, and the efforts you've made haven't had a major impact on your daily life. Um, Thanks for sharing that perspective. If you have any more thoughts or want to discuss anything else, just let me know.
Okay, thank you very much.